Good morning. We're almost gonna dock. First day. Just wake up. It's already 7 o'clock. And we're going to Ocean Cay, the private island of MSC Cruise. There. No. There. The other room. Ito man mo biyay. Look at the water. So blue. And the video doesn't do justice, but here. Good morning. The kids is still asleep. We went to the buffet for breakfast, but still waiting for them. I just checked in there. Not that much people yet. Look at our room. It's a mess. It's a mess. And then when there's only 2 of you, it's only this bed, and they gonna convert that into a sofa. A sofa. This one. But if there's 4 people in one room, you have to do the bed. The double deck bed. It's a mess. Just woke up. Almost here. We're gonna swim at the Ocean Cay and do some activities. Okay, we're going now for breakfast at the market buffet. Here we are at the dining, eating breakfast, looking over at the Ocean Cay. We'll be swimming over there. This is the whole island. Oh, sakto atong giagianda dool kaayo ang uban dito manggod oh. Gang uban dito layo kay Gilakwan. Welcome to Ocean Cay.
No drones
MSC Private Island. Dance ko eh. The pavilion. Hi, good morning. Where's the pavilion? The pavilion is for the reservation for the cabana.
Alright, so that's the pavilion right there. Wala Pilipinas na weather? Wala Pilipinas ang weather, no?
Dili kayo init. Tropical kuan. Surboat. Daghang kuan ang coconut oh, naay bunga.
Bunga? Mutong ka? May mutong ka oh, bunga oh. Ha?
Waiting for a ride.
Sasa mo stop.
We're gonna stop in the South Beach, right? Near the cabana.
South Beach is the only beach open.
Like how many minutes walk from there? Like a minute or 2?
What, the cabana desk? From there you get off, it's 3 seconds.
Ah, okay, few seconds. This one, it goes until tonight, right? The ride?
It's still at 5:30.
Ah, until 5:30. Okay.
Kaya naman sakinan.
Yeah.
Okay, kaya naman sakinan. Mamutong daw niya.
Okay, larga na ta.
Alright,
Larga na. Time to go.
Wala tayo for rent nga nino.
Huh?
Wala tayo for rent.
Points?
Rent, but to rent, if you want to rent.
Gold. I don't know. I think you have to reserve it like before. Look at the shoe. Then tomorrow pwede na pa siya morning. Kasi we just half day.
Nobody's swimming right now there.
Yeah.
I just walk in swimming.
There's a light show. Yeah, I think the light show is at 10 p.m.
Nah, before.
11? Like the light show in the
Maybe
8 o'clock or 8:30. Sa bayangan, nga na ang lima.
Quick cruise ship.
Or they're still building more.
Sakto, saka ito. Init naman dahil.
Yeah, it's hot already. Ocean Key. Yeah, naaman siya daghang kuan. Layo, uy. Insya duul ra. I don't think this is a 8-minute
I guess
walk.
he wants us to run.
Yeah. The lunch is there. In there. Oh, dire mo ni makasnorkel ka dire.
Lifeguard.
La Cabana Station.
Something kabana nila.
Ocean Village. Layo po di ay.
Yeah, it's far to walk.
Yeah. This is, we're gonna ask them.
That's where you get off.
Okay. So I'll go there and ask which cabana we're in.
Hey.
Oh, and then we're gonna wait here later if you wanna ride back. Okay.
Oh, right.
Okay. So diri ra mo mag-wait. I'm gonna go there first.
Okay.
To Kuanda Cabana. Okay.
All right, everyone. South Beach stop.
Hold my phone then.
First and only stop. Okay, thank you.
This is the only stop. Just wait here. Be. Ipakuan si Daddy ani oh. So Uncle, let's go get our cabana. There oh. Let them wait there. Anywhere, but we have to get to our cabana first. Like this. No, we have to claim it first. With which cabana we are assigned. The beach is so wide. Gonna get our cabana. Cabana this. Okay. Okay, our cabana. Be, walk pa daw tag 5 minutes. Dito ko nung sa unahan. No, dire ta agi. Ano?
There is an organized area we're trying to get to.
You go here in the pavement. There. That's a good idea. 5 minutes ko no.
Ang lakaw?
Ito layo up. Okay, another station ko no, Cabana Station. Uy, another stop over dito oh.
Ha?
Sayop siya ingon nato.
Nalak mo
Na dito oh. Next time mo sakay na ta dito. Actor oh, actor. Hello. Philippines. Indonesia. It's fine though. Si Mami, nagsakay punta kami. You can ask food here too. No, nasa iyop siya panaog nato. Supposed to be kani.
5 minutes pa.
Yeah. There's the there's the boat.
Kahit nakainin daw kasi bigyan daw. Ha?
Yeah, sa water man ni siya di og sa sand. Makaligo kay ngani kana mga disabled. Diri mo linggo din ibutang sa dagat. Oo.
Ano yung tali sa mama palitan?
Oh, pwede god. Oh.
Kuya adi na po.
Daddy na po, daddy. Ikaw na po tulod ni daddy. Ikapoy na ko na stampok. Ano, I'm sorry. It's the bridge and that's our kuan, Cabana. Yeah, cross the bridge ko no. Where is the bridge?
Oh, anak-anak kuya day, adi. Tapos gani. Oh, paanang pag exercise kuya adi.
Ani arms. Para arms.
Arm na. Hindi mo maghago og kuan. Barbell.
Barbell.
Ha? Ang tani dong? Kahit sa sandong. Oh, matubok diri.
Kabalo ka, murag ang yacht club ilang gihatag sa atua. Iwan. Wi-Fi. South Beach man ta.
There's a shack there.
That one with the blue one. But the food there is only burger and fries. But if we wanna go to the pavilion, the buffet is there.
6 minutes walk.
Yeah.
Walk.
Kunya na.
Later, I'm so full.
Ligo na takoy.
Kana, liga na mo.
Dry yourself for
Bye for now. We're gonna swim.
Kuan ka to.